Welcome back. In today's lecture, we are going to start where we have left in our previous lecture. So far, we have performed a RAN simulation where we have used k omega SST. And in today's lecture, we are going to use LES model to run the same simulation. But before that, I am going to explain that what is done in an LES simulation. What is large eddy simulation model and how do we derive this starting from the Navier-Stokes equation. This is how we can write the Navier-Stokes equation. This is written in Einstein's notation. This is the unsteady term, this is the convective term, this is the pressure gradient, and this is the viscous term. And then this is the continuity equation. This is an incompressible Navier-Stokes equation. In the large eddy simulations, we apply this kind of filtering, where G is a filtering function. This particular function basically is an smoothing operation. If you know anything about low pass filters, then you will understand that in the frequency domain, if you have a function where it has all these frequencies, then this particular filter will chop off this low frequency values
Thanks for watching, and if you like the content of our channel, then please like, comment, share and subscribe.